one, guys. This is my first bucket, 20 liter, which I did for myself. I'm almost done. I just to put the last product. But Junie, come and help mommy here. Come and help me, my things which fell down here. Junie. Hi. Babe, come and help me, girl. Run, this side. Fast, then you go watch your cartoon. Thank you, babe. Don't open it for me. Don't open it, girl. Bring. Don't open it. Thank you. This is the last thing which I have to put, please. Oh, there's nothing. This is the last product for my soap to complete. So I've been telling these guys it's not easy. To be honest, it's not easy. I'm sorry. Junie, can you please go watch your cartoon? Thank you, Junie, for helping mommy. Go. Guys, it's very hot. It's very hot. But I have to make sure that my things are proper so that when I will sell it, customers will not complain of how simple is my product, of how not thick is my soap washing dishes. This one is for cleaning. It's very nice, guys. I can't wait to show you the last. Can you please open for me this one? This one, hurry up, please.
What is this?
Can you please open part of it? Then you wait. Oh, okay. It's a lemon. I'm almost done, guys. We have to work on our tummy. This is not fair. It's not fair. I'm pregnant. Life is not fair. I'll just turn it. Then I'll close it for the whole day. It will be closed for the whole day. For the whole day, closed. And I like the smell of the lemon. Very nice, guys. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. Guys, this is the soap that I'm doing. This one is this one that I'm doing exactly like this. Is the one that I'm doing, which is dishwash liquid, gentle on hands, new improved formula, whereby there is a flavor of lemon. Yes, of lemon. This one is the one that I'm doing. Like this, I'm done. I have just to, like, no, I'm just need a bit. Guys, this was not easy. make sure that it's complete, mixed well, all the products are mixed well, so that you will not have a problem after a week. And to be honest, it's really looking nice the way it's looking. Let me hope that you guys use